You have to try this viral TikTok crockpot recipe. It's so easy and my entire family loves it. First, just throw 3 chicken breasts in your crock pot and season with salt and pepper. Next, take a whole jar of this garlic Parmesan Buffalo Wild Wing sauce, dump it right on top of your chicken. Then fill that same jar up with heavy whipping cream, shake it up, and then pour it on top, and then top it with a block of cream cheese. Cook on high for 4 hours. At some point during the cooking time, just make sure to go and mix it all up and let it finish cooking. Once it's done, you're just gonna cook your pasta like normal. I love the Protein Plus penne pasta, but feel free to use whatever pasta noodles you want. Completely cook your noodles and then drain the water. Then be sure to shred your chicken in your crock pot. You can either use tongs, it's gonna just fall apart, or you can take your chicken out and use a hand mixer if you want. Throw in your pasta, mix it all together, and then top with a little Parmesan cheese. And now you're ready to eat, and feel free to serve it with whatever side you want. We usually do a Caesar salad and breadsticks, and this is definitely a family favorite. It makes so much that we end up having leftovers the next day, and it heats up really well too. Don't forget to save this recipe and let me know if you try it.